Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you love honest supplement reviews with no drama and no sponsorship influence, hit that like button and let's dive straight in. Ingredient profile is super clean, just whey concentrate, natural flavoring, and sweetener. No artificial fillers, no maltodextrin, no hidden blends. This is one of the simplest ingredient panels in its price range, which is a good sign if you're looking for pure protein without junk. Time for the mixability test. 1 scoop, 5-6 shakes, and look at this. No major clumps. Smooth texture, slight froth, which settles in a minute. In water, it mixes really well for a concentrate. The vanilla flavor is light, creamy, and not overly sweet. If you like strong, candy-like flavors, this may feel mild. But for everyday use, it's easy on the tongue, easy on the stomach, and doesn't leave that artificial aftertaste. After using NAKPRO Gold for a few weeks, here's what I noticed. Helps meet daily protein goals. No bloating or digestion issues. Fast absorption post-workout. Of course, this won't magically build muscle, but if you're consistent with training and diet, this will support recovery really well. The pack comes with Trustified authentication, which you can scan to verify it's not adulterated. In India's supplement market, this is a major plus. Here's the best part: NAKPRO Gold is one of the most affordable whey proteins while still giving you 25.5 gram protein per scoop. For students and budget-focused buyers, this is easily top 3 in value. Mild flavor might feel too light for some. It's whey concentrate, not isolate if you're lactose sensitive. Buy this if you want a budget, clean whey protein for muscle building, recovery, or fat loss support. Avoid it if you're lactose intolerant. Choose an isolate instead. NAKPRO Gold Vanilla is simple, clean, and reliable. No marketing drama, no crazy claims, just pure whey protein that does its job. If you enjoyed this honest review, smash that like button. Comment below which product I should review next. Subscribe for more fitness and supplement breakdowns. See you in the next one.